Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the VSync app settings for your LEVOIT. This is the Classic300S. This is a smart humidifier. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So here's a look at the VSync app where we can enter into our Classic300 device. Right here before we enter, and we can actually turn it on and off. Look at that, super responsive. And turn it back on. Then we can enter in and you'll notice we have our current humidity percentage and mist level, and we can adjust that right here. So pretty sweet that we can fine tune that further than just the physical control panel on here. We have our auto, manual, which we just looked at, and sleep settings. Remember, sleep initiates auto. So when you put it in sleep mode, it activates auto mode automatically and it turns off any lights and the display. So that's really the difference there. Then we have our indoor humidity. So it's actually monitoring it for us for the days and the coming weeks, which is cool. Dry, ideal, and moist. You want it in that 40 to 60 range. Really cool. Great to see we're already in there. Then we can turn the display on or off. And then further down, we have our on and off again, so we can turn the whole unit on or off. We can turn the night light on, adjust the brightness or back off. We can set a schedule. So pick the hour, the minute, AM or PM, which days of the week you want it to repeat. Do you want the device to turn on or off? What mode do you want, auto, manual, or sleep? We even added some advanced options here. Do you want the display on or off and the night light on or off? And which brightness level? So very customizable. Love to see that from the scheduling standpoint. And then we have our timer here. Choose hour, minute, all up to 24 hours. Couple of quick presets too, 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. And when the timer is up, do you want it to turn on or off? So you can do all of that with your smartphone. That unlocks more potential that you don't get with just the regular control panel. And we're still not even done. So in the top right-hand corner, we have our device settings. So we can enable voice control with Amazon or Google, and you can connect them right there with the big green button and view commands. We can view the user manual, device info, plant care. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty sweet. So we got a plant care option here. If you wanted to try to do that, you can. Playing around with the humidity, and you can add your plants. We have the show plant option. So there you go. By turning on Show Plant, your humidifier's home page will display a shortcut to the plant functions. Weekly cleaning reminder, so we can get that notification if we want. We can add smart scenes with other VSync rooms and build that out for our smart house. We can view our Wi-Fi info, and we can share the device as well as delete the device. So the VSync app is very simple and straightforward and gives you a ton of different customization and control options for your smart humidifier.